to the channel. Today I have Dee here with me again for another driving lesson, and we are going to be focusing today on your moving off, your stopping, and doing a bit more roundabouts today.
Yeah.
Okay, let's say this is the roundabout, yeah? And we're taking this exit, you're coming up here, yeah?
Okay.
2 lanes, where are you going to be?
I'm going to be in this one, yes.
Okay, so you're going to go in the right hand lane, you're going to signal right as you approach to go here, yeah?
Okay.
So as you approach on your right, you can go, yeah?
Anyone not in the first quarter of it.
If they're over here, coming round on here and leaving the left lane, yeah?
Yeah, so at what point do I merge into the left lane?
You can start coming out. It really depends on the size of the roundabout, but really kind of like come in here, and as soon as you pass this exit, start coming around, yeah?
And if there was traffic already behind me in the left lane?
What you mean if there's traffic like here? Well, yeah, you need to check your mirrors before. Just make sure it's clear before you start coming over. If there's something there, you can't come over, yeah?
Okay.
So you're going to start signalling, slow yourself right down. You want to be kind of more in your left lane before you leave.
Right,
yeah?
so almost be straight.
Yeah, otherwise other cars can start joining in, yeah? If you're taking this exit, approach in the left lane, signal left and turn left.
Yeah.
Straight ahead here, approach in the left lane, signal here, exit here, yeah?
Okay.
Okay, let's see how we go though, yeah?
Right.
So, seatbelt on.
Seatbelt on.
And let's go. Start the car, clutch down.
Clutch down.
Engine on.
Engine on.
That's it.
Start her up.
Remember your moving off routine.
Okay. So, mirror. Mirror.
Yep.
Signal.
Yep.
Handbrake.
What about the gear?
Gear. First. Handbrake.
A little bit of gas.
Tiny bit of gas as I
Hold the biting point. Less gas.
Less gas.
Hold the biting point.
Yeah, okay, that's a red. Yeah.
That's it, it's cancel the signal.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it, that's fine. Just do it, let it cancel. So we're going to go next to right.
Okay.
Check your rear right now.
So rear right. Rear right. Right.
That's it, signal.
And then into the left lane. And clutch down.
No.
Oh no, not clutch down.
And just return. That's it. So the clutch is only to change the gear or stop the car, yeah? Right, we're going to take the next left coming up. So check your rear and left mirror, signal left.
Left. Signal.
Clutch down.
And start braking. There doesn't seem to be anything coming from the side. So brake off.
Gas.
And then
That's
find the
it,
light.
and turn.
And just commit to the turn.
Still very wide though, yeah?
Yeah.
You just needed to turn quicker as you moved on.
Yeah.
So clutch down, second gear.
Put off the gas.
That's it.
Yeah, just close.
Let's try and go right turn here at the end of the road, yeah?
Okay, so
Right mirror.
right.
Clutch down.
Clutch down.
Start braking. Brake. That's it.
Oh, there's a
And
car.
stop. Back to first gear.
First.
That's it.
Then because I'm going downhill,
You're not really. I mean, you've got to move off first because you're not really going down yet. Yeah.
Yeah.
Once you start to turn the corner, you go down.
right.
So you still need a bit of gas to move off.
Yeah,
So
put
gas
off
first. That's it.
a touch
Little
of
bit of
gas.
That's it.
And
Touch up a bit. That's it. And turn.
sharper turn.
That's it.
And straighten up.
And let's go next left.
Okay, so mirror.
Second gear. That's it. Second gear before the turn. That's it. You should have signaled there.
Yeah.
Just brake. That's it. Turn. That's it.
Yeah.
Straighten up. Okay. So you see the roundabout coming up? We are going to take the first exit. So I'll let you try and decide how you're going to take the roundabout, yeah?
Yeah, so I'm going to keep the left lane.
You're in the correct gear already, so all you need to do is just the mirror checks and everything to make sure it's clear, yeah?
Yeah, so it's rear, rear, and
Signal. Oh, there's 2 lanes, yeah. Now what?
I don't see anybody coming.
It's fine, so you keep going.
So just drive right through.
third and then back to second, but never mind now.
Is it?
It's fine, it's fine. Because we're approaching now, so just check to the right, make sure it's clear.
Yeah.
So slow yourself down a little bit so you have time to signal, yeah? That's it, just wait till you just pass that first exit. That's it.
Don't say we're coming.
That's it.
Pedestrian.
Check the mirror signal.
Yeah. Mirror signal.
Check the left mirror before you turn. That's it, and go.
Okay.
Very good.
And I can.
That's it. A little bit of gas.
Oh, yeah. A little bit of gas.
And let's go up to third.
Neutral.
That's it. And at this roundabout, we are going to take the third exit. Yeah?
Okay. So move signal right.
That's it. Check the mirror signal right.
Check the mirrors.
That's
Check
it.
the
Very
mirrors.
good.
Signal right. No, so not in the
We
Aldi.
do have a turn there, but let's just signal now, so we're going to do the gear now. So signal.
Signal.
That's it. Clutch down second gear.
Clutch down.
Off the brake.
Second. Yeah.
Clutch up.
Brake. Clutch up.
That's fourth gear
Oh, is it?
again.
No.
It's fine. You do have to stop now anyway, so it's fine. Look, the car's coming back. And you ready to go? That's it. That's it. That's it. Steer. Steer.
Into the right lane.
So take your time. Go very slowly. Off the gas. Signal left.
Signal left.
That's it.
And
That's it. Gas.
yeah.
That's it.
And now that I'm clear into the lane.
That's it.
Gas.
And second gear.
Okay.
Clutch down all the way.
Clutch down. Second.
That's it.
Up.
So when you sit, when you go from first to second, just try and keep it over to the left, yeah?
Yeah.
And it's cancel the signal.
Yeah.
A little bit of gas.
Yeah.
A bit more, and then up to third gear. And now off the gas, clutch down, neutral, straight up. That's it. Yeah, so when you're changing from the first to second, so you don't go into fourth, just keep the gear stick over to the left and just try and go straight down.
So don't even try to do like the neutral thing.
No, you
just
wouldn't go to neutral when you go first to second, only when you're going up to third, yeah?
okay. And third to second, just tap it to neutral.
Third to second to neutral first, yeah? Because it's kind of working on that grid, isn't it? Parked car is ahead of you, we just need to go around that. These usually cars parked all there.
So just
Just go around, that's it.
I don't need to signal then.
You just need to check your mirror. Only signal when you're going to go over onto the other side of the road, yeah? So just keep away from the parked car a little bit.
Lorry.
Oh, that's fine.
Okay, alright.
So roundabout coming up. At the roundabout, you're going to take the first exit, okay? You've got priority to go, but just be aware that the cars are there.
Yeah.
So check the mirror signal left.
Rear, signal left.
Brake gently for the roundabout. Just the brake, not the clutch. So, check the roundabout.
Yeah, that one was a little bit of a.
The roundabout was big enough that you could have made it, but just make sure that you are looking to the right as you approach, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
So a little bit of gas.
Just always be conscious of who.
End of the road, we're going to go left, yeah?
Yeah.
So check your mirrors and signal left.
Rear, signal.
Stay on your side of the road. That's it. Brake gently. You need to brake more. Brake more. Brake, brake, brake. That's it.
Okay.
Back to first gear.
Going left. First gear.
Off the brake.
Off the brake.
And you can go. And steer because it is a sharp bend, yeah?
Yeah.
Less gas. Straighten up quickly. That's it.
Okay, foot off the clutch. And
Change the gear now. Clutch down.
can always roll a little
That's
further.
it, yeah. Now, first gear straight away. Looking for the gap now.
So,
So,
there's a car going to be coming
you
here.
have to give way to cars coming this way, yeah?
Yeah.
That's it. So you could go now. Just wait.
Yeah.
That's it. And at the roundabout, next second exit.
Second exit.
So go to this left. That's it.
Yeah.
And check your mirror signal right.
So right.
That's it.
And I
That's it.
indicate
Signal.
right?
Yep. Yep. And look, the car's here. Stop the car. Touch down.
Sorry.
Put your windscreen wipers on right. That's it. And you can go. Let's wait for him. That's it. That's it. You can go.
Okay.
That's it. Gas.
Yep.
Restart. Just restart. That's it.
Okay. And
Gas.
touch the gas.
That's it. So a little bit of gas. Touch up all the way now. Check the mirror signal left. Signal left. That's it.
And straight through.
Good.
Okay.
And let's go to second gear. Clutch down. Brilliant. Okay, so that brings us to the end of your lesson, and if you want to follow Dee's driving journey, then subscribe to the channel. See you next time.